In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 1603 fatal error during installation in Windows 10. First thing, go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and here you need to type in MSI AEXEC space / unregister. Write this down and press enter. So after you let the first command load, now write the second one, MSI EXEC space / server, and now press enter. So after you let it load, you can now just close this down. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, go here and type in registry editor. Inside here, you want to go to this folder. So first go to HKey local machine and then go to system, and here you want to go to current control set and then go to control, and then finally go to file system, and here you will see file system. So make sure you click on file system. So here you need to find a folder called NTFS. So just expand this and you need to find this folder. Now this one is called NTFS disable 8.3 name creation. So make sure you find this and double click on it. So here you need to change this value to 0 and press OK, and then you can just close this down and make sure to restart your PC and see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, go to services, and here you want to go to Windows installer. So it should be all the way down, and Windows installer, this is the one. Right click on it, click on it twice, and then make sure this is set to manual, and make sure you click on start and apply and click OK. If it's already started, click restart to restart the process, and then click apply and OK. And also, remember to just restart your PC, and hopefully this should fix your issue.